Welcome to the Institute of Techgronomy. My name is Jared. I am the technical program manager that specializes in LoRaWAN architecture, and I'll be guiding you through this course today, which is LoRaWAN for Smart Agriculture. Let's kick this course off with a step-by-step unboxing of all our hardware. Let's start off with our cornerstone of our architecture, which is our gateway. Now, I've purchased a Techgronomy Kona Enterprise Gateway. Be aware that when you go online, it does state that the only thing that does come is the gateway and a mount. Okay, this product is designed, when you open it up, it's designed to be outside, so it's very well secured. It's got a few ports over here, and then you've got a mount that you can put above the ground on a stake or a pole out in the field, so that it can be gathering data for you on all the end sensors. So the additionals that you're going to need to get is, the first big main one is your power supply, and that's going to be a PoE Ethernet power supply, which I happen to have additionally, but you can buy these on Amazon. You can buy them directly from Techgronomy. I also purchased some extra Ethernet cable, and I went super long because I'm not too sure how high I want to mount this, and you're going to need two, one in and out on your power supply. Okay, and then the one other, there's actually a couple other things that I got. I purchased a LoRaWAN antenna, which again will be in one of these. It's this one over here, and just please bear in mind the area that you're in. So we're in the US, so we're on 915 megahertz. Your antenna is going to need to be compatible with that device in your area. I went for 6 decibels, which will give us quite a nice range on picking up the sensors. Again, the antenna comes with a little mount too. I can put a link in this video on where I purchased this one from. Our next unboxing is the Clover. It's a Techgronomy brand. It's a surface mount sensor. All that comes in the box is this sensor, right? It monitors soil moisture, soil temperature, and surface level microclimates. It enables farmers to detect overwatering and drought stresses early. This is reducing water usage and improves plant health. So we're going to use this connected to our Kona. Very neat, very easy, and we'll go into the next. Next up is our Kiwi. When you purchase the Kiwi, again, you're going to need to buy an extra to it. It is a Techgronomy product. This is an elevated probe, right? So you put this onto a stake, you buy your sensors, and these come on a long cable. And what the object of this is basically you're wanting to find out what is happening under the ground at your root source. Is there enough moisture? Is the temperature correct? Is irrigation actually getting to the root when you do an irrigation cycle? And that's what the Kiwi really is. It's fundamentals. It's really good for vineyards and orchards, row crops. You can really get super deep down with these sensors, as opposed to the Clover, which is only 6 inches into the ground. And let's move on to the next. Next up is the Tundra Sensor. It's a Techgronomy product again. This is an environmental sensor. Okay, it's really designed for rugged environments, hostile conditions. What this sensor does is it really measures your temperature, humidity, your soil freeze, thaw cycles. It's essential for farms in colder regions and climates, and seasonal variabilities. It really supports frost protection and plant decision making. Again, little neat, robust sensor, the Tundra. So next up we've got our Techgronomy Breeze V sensor. This is a weather and air quality sensor. captures, like the rest, air, temperature and moisture, humidity. But where it really sets itself apart from the rest is it gives us data on barometric pressure and air quality matrix, so CO2 levels. This is super useful for microclimate data that helps forecast disease risk. It plans for pesticide and fertilization applications. It really optimizes planting and harvesting. It's a really neat little sensor that packs a big punch. Okay, so now we're veering away from Tiktaalik products, and we've got two products here. One of them is the Oyster3. This is a digital matter product. This is a GPS tracker. It's a heavy-duty, long-life GPS tracker that logs movement, location history, and geofence alerts. It's really used for high-value items like tractors, irrigation pumps, and other high-value equipment. It ensures efficiency and security. Again, we're going to connect, even though it's a different brand, it's going to be connected to our LoRaWAN Kona Enterprise Gateway. So interesting to see where that takes us. So lastly, we have got our digital matter product. It's another asset tracker. Like the Oyster3, this is called the Yabby3. It's a way more compact GPS location tracker. It's for smaller and more mobile assets, such as like livestock. You can put this onto a collar, so you can do livestock tracking. Portable tools, ATVs, delivers frequent, accurate location updates while maintaining very low power for extended battery life. With both these asset tracker devices that we're going to be using, it comes with a DM link from Digital Matter. This is your configuration setting uploader, so that we can marry up these end sensors with our Tiktaalik Kona Enterprise Gateway, and I'm interested to see the collaboration between the two different brands and how well they can work together. So that's it from our unboxing, and we're going to move on to the next section. Thank you very much.